It's the last barefoot workout. And back to using the ball. You can use a handheld weight, you can use a kettlebell, you can use whatever you like, as long as it's firmly in your hands. We're going to start off with a little squat. You should have warmed up before you started. Work the shoulders down. And we're just going to go into a squat, which is just to get yourself going. Yeah? But what we're going to do is work into lateral movements in this session. So it's going to hit those inner thigh muscles, and it's going to really hit those glutes. Okay, so now, when you're lifting up, I want you to draw up through the core of the feet, squeeze into your buttocks, work the shoulder blades down the back of your rib cage. Watch my change. Lift the leg up to the side. Now we're going to stay with the right leg lifting to the side. Squat and lift. Squat and lift. Now you don't have to squat very low. Keep it small if you want to. You can do this without the ball or without your weight. Give me 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4 more, 3 more. Now what we're going to do is 3 pulses up. Well, not a pulse, because I want you to change your leg angle. Up, higher, higher, and higher. Yep, down, up a little bit more, a little bit more. How's that feel? Feels good, yeah? You know you're working. Okay, do that for 2 more. Up, and up, and up again. Now I'd like you to go 7 up if you can. So down, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Can you do one more? Down, up a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Back to squats. Squat it down. How are we doing? Are you right? Okay, keep it going. Now I'm going to get rid of the ball. Careful with your feet. Okay, we're going to go double time squats. You ready to go? Down, up, 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 up. Now watch my change. You've got the option to jump it, yeah? Your choice. Okay, if you want to, jump alternating, squat 1, jump 1. Squat 1, jump 1. Now if you wanted to, you could jump all the way. Yep, soft landing. Shouldn't be able to hit your feet, she says. Or you can just squat it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Carefully grab your ball. Join me when you can with a little tap to the right and to the left. Go. How are we doing? You alright? This is all about the legs, this routine. Step cross. It's good. Keep it going. Now we're going to do 3 counts, yeah? So step, 3, 2, 1. Step. Now this is a curtsy squat, but what I also want you to do is rotate the ball around your center. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, and 1. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. Again. 3, 2, and 1. Good. 3, 2. Now let's go for 7s. Get lower, get lower, get lower, get lower, get lower, get lower, and step. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Can we do 2 more of those? Come on, yes you can. You can do this. Yes you can. 3, 2, 1 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now, I'm going to take this back behind my head. This is really important. You don't allow your back to arch. You lock in through your core, work the shoulder blades back and down, have that apple under your chin, and you're going to press. Press. Now, if you're using a dumbbell, you'll probably have better security with holding it. Just make sure that your wrists aren't twisting with whatever you're using. Keep the wrists straight. Yep, don't twist them. Now give me 3 counts up. 3. Lock in with those core muscles. Yep, lift your center. Breathe. Yep. 3, 2, 1. And again, lift your pelvic floor. Lift your belly in. Do not let your back overarch. 3, 2, 1. And again. 3, 2, 1. And again. 3, 2, 1. And again. 3, 2. Give me sevens. Are you ready? Go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again. 7. Get ready to squat. Yep. Keep it going. 3, 2, 1. Squat down, up. Guess what? You have to do it on the other side. Join me when you can. Down. It's good. Squat and lift. Perfect. Give me 8 more singles. 8. Squat down. Lift to the side. Keep that weight close to your chest and to your tummy. Work the shoulder blades down so that your shoulders are relaxed. Now, give me 3 up this time. So drop down. 3, 2, and 1. Make sure you're really using your core. Don't forget the core of your feet. Draw up through the arches of the feet. Lift through your center. Give me 2 more on 3s. 3, 2, should be starting to feel it. 3, 2, and 1. Drop down. 3, 2, and 1. Last one. 3, 2. Do you know what? I did too many there. But it doesn't matter. As long as I don't do too few, it's fine, isn't it? We're doing 7s now. And down. Go down. 7, 6. If you were out of time, then that's because I was, not you. And down. Go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go down. Down. 7, 6, 5. I'll get it right in a minute. Should we do 2 more just so I can get it right? Shall we? Yes. Come on. Down. 7, 6, 5. Lift your center. Lift your core. Down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Get rid of your ball or your weight. 2 more slow squats. And we're going to double it up. You ready? Go, go. Down. Up. 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 Now add no jumps. Optional. Yeah. Down. Jump. Doing well. Doing brilliantly actually. Doing better than me. Keep it going. If you want to, you can jump all the way. Nice and light on your feet. Go, go. 8, or squat. 7, 6, 5. Make sure that back stays long. Make sure you're using the core of your feet, using the core of your pelvis. Breathe. You're there. Well done. Pick up your ball. Last little bit. Tap into the side. Yep. Going the other way this time. Get ready to go 3 down. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Again. 3, 2, and 1. One more. 3, 2. We're going 7s this time. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 7. Get lower, get lower, get lower, get lower, get lower. Last one. 7, 6. Do you know what? I think we have to do 2 more. Is that okay? 2 more. Come on. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe. This is as much about your core as it is about your triceps, yeah? So lock your core in. Lift. Strong. Now, if the pace of this movement is too great for you, don't have to feel you have to go at the same rate as me, yeah? You can slow it down, but lift your core. Lift your pelvic floor. Lift your belly in. Breathe. Okay, we're going 3 up this time. You ready? Go. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. Again. 3, 2, 1. Again. 3. Use your center. Let's go to 7s. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Use your core. Use your core. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more. You can do this. 7, 6. Lift that belly in. Do not let your back take any stress whatsoever. If you feel this in your back, drop that weight, get rid of it, and just do it without the weight. That's absolutely fine. 3, 2, 1. You're there. Well done. That was the last of our barefoot workouts. You've now done all of them. You can put them all together now if you want to at some point or other. Well done. Don't forget to like, to comment, and let us know that you've done it and that you did it a lot better than I did. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did enjoy it, please do like and subscribe. And obviously you can make comments as well, because any comments you make will help us to make further content that you like. Hope to see you again soon.